Hey guys, it's Deidre Green, licensed makeup artist and esthetician, here at home. And so I apologize if the sound quality is a little bit bad, but I don't have my microphone today. But today, let me here. Hey guys, I'm at home. It's Deidre Green, licensed makeup artist and esthetician. Sorry that the lighting and sound quality is pretty bad today. I'm scoping from home and I normally don't do that. But today I thought it was really important to show you guys something that you absolutely 1000% need if you're in business, trying to grow any sort of a business, or I think you can use this in a way even if you're not in business for yourself. So basically, what I want to talk about today. First, if you've never watched me before, let me give you a little bit of background. I'm Deidre Green. I'm the owner of the Skin Bar located in Parkville, Maryland. I quit my job in corporate America about 3 months ago. And now I've just been building my beauty business and I've been seeing really good results. So I'm just sharing what I'm doing, sharing my journey with you guys, and hopefully you'll have some tips, or you can take some of my tips and apply them to your beauty businesses or your businesses in general, and hopefully they'll help you as well. Like I said, just a little bit over 3 months, I have over 140 clients now, and over 300 some bookings, and over $15,000 booked over the past 3 months. So, I just want to share the wealth. I want to share the tips. I want to share what I'm doing, and hopefully some of these things can work for you. So let me just dive right into it. Thank you, Sandman, for sharing. I appreciate that. Let me just dive right into it and say that this is the one thing that I did that really helped me to just get in the right mindset to grow my business. Here's the tip. Write this down. You must have an environment, whether that be in your home or outside of your home, that is completely yours, that is distraction free, and that you can maintain your focus in. And when I say that, it has to be your environment, and it has to be a space that you go into that is 1000% yours. And just, when you go in that place, you know that you're working. It doesn't take a lot of time to set up. It doesn't take a lot of money to set up. So what I wanted to share with you guys today is my space that I work in. So let me flip here. Okay. So we're upstairs on the second level of my home, and I have this little like cubby space. My home is like I don't know, 100 years old. Basically, it was like built in like 1913 or something like that. And I have like these weird spaces, like these weird little cubbies that I can't really do much with. So I just took that space and turned it into my little haven, that when I'm going in here, this is my space and I'm going to work. So I know, for one, I needed to be comfortable. I know that I needed to be able to have all my stuff. I know I needed enough outlets for chargers and phones and whatever else I need. And I knew that it needed to be kind of distraction free. I also didn't want it to feel like a prison. So sometimes I do come here and I just relax. I come here and I pray, and I come here and I get some real work done, because I don't work in a traditional sense on Mondays. Like most beauty professionals, Mondays is my day off out of the shop, but I am here working because I need to build my business for the next week, for the next month. So I'm already working on things and promotions that I'm going to do in March, and here's where I get them done at. So you can see my laptop always stays down there on the shelf. Thank you for the hearts. I appreciate that. And I come in here and I know I'm getting ready to work. It also signifies to other people who live in my house with me that I am working. Do not bother me when I'm sitting here. And so you have got to have a space like that for yourself. Just make it comfortable. I literally took random things that were already in my house. I didn't buy anything extra to create this room. I didn't buy anything extra to create it. I took random things that were in my house and put them together to create this space. So you can do the same thing. And even if it's just, this small little space like this, I don't know. I don't even know how big this is, but it's not big at all. Maybe it's like 10 by 8. I don't know. It's super small, but I get so much work done when I come in here because I know that it's time to work. It just signifies to me, okay, I'm ready to work. I'm ready to roll. So if you guys don't have that, take some time to create that space for yourself so that when you come in here, you have a plan and that you're working on your marketing, you're working on the next thing for the next day. I hope that that's a helpful tip to you guys. I think that's really super important. Again, sorry for the poor sound quality and the lighting today, but I really think that you guys have got to have an environment, a space for yourself that signifies when I'm doing this, I'm doing work. Where you can just shut your phone off, get your laptop out, get your notebook out, a space where you can pray, where you can just talk to God and figure out what you need to do for your business for the next week, and a place where you can just plan. Because I think the most important thing that you need to do as a business owner is make sure that you have a plan. And if you don't have a space to plan in, what are you doing? You're just doing everything on the fly. You're letting ideas bounce around in your head. You're not getting them down on paper. You have to have a place where you can execute and implement your strategies and your plans. So, hopefully that was a helpful tip for you guys. If you want to connect with me further, you can go to beautybizstuff.com. That's beautybizstuff.com, B-I-Z. So that, you can get some additional information, some other tips, some things that I've been sharing. So, hopefully that was helpful for you guys. Yeah, definitely. Hi, Kristen. You're very welcome. Kiskin Retreat. You're very, very welcome. It's really important to create your own space. And, it just becomes a haven, and it becomes a place where you can just be like, all right, I just need to do this right now, and I need to focus on it. And then, when I'm not in this space, I can let everything else go crazy around me that's in the world. I have dishes and laundry downstairs that I need to do too. But right now, I'm getting ready to go to work. So thank you guys for watching. Again, if you want to get more tips, connect with me more often and get some of my other videos that you may have missed. I know that Periscope only lasts for 24 hours. You can go to beautybizstuff.com and then you'll get all that stuff sent directly to you. So thank you so much for watching, and it's all free. It's all free tips, all free stuff. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have an excellent, excellent day.